Hello everyone, this is my very first tutorial, and here I'm gonna make a RESTful API from scratch. If I don't know if it is and from scratch or something, I'll use a Node and Express boilerplate. So first, what's a RESTful API? RESTful API is a kind of a representational state transfer. When we have a server and some remote application, we want to hit the server, get some data. That's what it's for. There was something like soap web services, blah blah blah. But in this tutorial, I'm show you how to create a RESTful API with Node.js, Expres.js, MongoDB, and for interacting MongoDB database, we will use the mongoose object data model. I mean ODM tool. So let's get into before we start, first I need to show you something. If you wanna curious about the source code, you will find it here. See the link, and this is the boilerplate code. We'll use this and extend to the RESTful API. This is the RESTful API article. Whatever I did in my tutorial, I hope you would find almost everything. And if you have any question about our boilerplate, I mean the very basic code, you'll check this out. I'll provide all this link in our video description center. So let's get started. First we get the boilerplate code, install the packages, create database, and see if there is an hello world output or something. So go to your project folder, okay, I'll name this contact list, I mean this project. There's nothing, and now we have to pull the boilerplate code. Okay, this is our boilerplate code. Node plus Express, we will use this for not only this RESTful API, almost every project. This may take a while, my internet connection is not too fast. Just hang on there. Okay, I'll see what we'll do next. There may be a node module folder to keep our packages up to date. We'll delete the node module folder and install all the packages from the scratch. Also we have to create two database. Okay, we can go through that part. I run Mongo to get the Mongo database shell. Okay, here we create two database, one for contact list, and we'll keep the actual data, and another for contact book test. You don't, while we make some unit test, you have to put some data, you have to update, blah blah blah. You don't want to mess around your real data with your test database. So this is our real database, and for test purpose Okay. Oh, if you have a problem with the command line tool for this only MongoDB, you can use kind of RoboMongo. I don't know much about this, but there's a free version for almost Linux, Mac, probably Windows. I don't know. There's a graphical interface for database, but I feel comfortable. It's not that tough, use contact book, use contacts book test. Okay, I see our boilerplate is ready. So here it's okay. Like I said, here's the node module folder. You see library root. We don't want this because we install all the latest database, sorry, latest node package. I just delete this sheet and np. Okay, so if you see there's a package.json file, so I run npm install. This will make all the package be installed in our machine, local machine, I mean. Okay, first of all I go through this some part where, oh, this is my boilerplate code, and I have an article about this boilerplate code. I explain each and every statement step by step. So if there's any question, you can go through that article. I'll put the link in my video description. uh, Also, we using slash API, I mean, every this is an RESTful API. Uh, we have to address slash API before each and every routing. This is kind of middleware, so you can't skip that. And here's some package.json file. We can rename it. Okay, we'll rename it later. I think our package is installed. No, we start node server.js. These are our dependency, and developer dependency. It's for watching our JavaScript 6 feature, remote origin controller, blah blah blah. This is our testing framework, assertion library, and this is keep our project almost always running. Okay, since we are done with these package installing, we have to go to the configuration index.js. Oh, for your information, FYI, I'm using WebStorm IDE. This is far better than any editor. So I change our database, local host. Okay, I think I'm done here. We installed the packages, and I don't know, maybe we can see some server running. Okay guys, you see this line, server running on port 3. I mean, our boilerplate is ready for extending to the RESTful API. I think this is our first introductory video. I'll go or jump into the code functionality in the next video tutorial. So peace.